TheGuideliners first Halloween, and I'm super excited to see how we can use the guideliners to create Halloween looks. I feel like dressing up for Halloween is always a little bit tricky because I want to look scary, I want to look like I'm making an effort, but I still want to feel pretty. So I'm going to try and do a pretty simple glam Beetlejuice look. As you know, over here eyeliner is the first step in your makeup routine, so you want to start with a clean, dry base, and I'm going to be using the Thicci in black from our classic collection. So what you're going to want to do is grab the little tab and peel it, and then the one with the tab and the all black goes in the bin, and the one with the eyeliner color and the pink is the one you use. Maybe there, okay, sharp the lashes, you know the drill, and press it down. I reckon that'll look quite cute. And then you want to grab one of your applicators, drench it in water, sound like a broken record, but dab it all over your guideliner. And you don't want to pull this off, you just want to keep dabbing until it naturally wants to slide off. So just keep dabbing and see the way it's already peeling off on its own. Just want to keep going until it just slides away. Then you're going to grab the other end and we're going to dab it dry. They are quite malleable at this stage, so if it's moved around a little during application, you can push it back into place. I did put this one a little bit further out this time because I wanted to create a dramatic flick. And then just grab your black liquid liner and join it to your lash line. I do want to go in a little bit further this time, but I'm going to try and do a quite dramatic eye look. I might even extend the flick out a little. I want to try and make it the shape of that, you know, that weird snake off Beetlejuice. I want to have that vibe. So just trace your guideliner. It's so much easier when you have something to follow. That looks pretty good. Let's do the other eye. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the rest of the look. So I don't know if you're one of these people, but I tend to have two foundations, one that's slightly darker than my normal skin tone and one that's slightly lighter. So in the summer I will use the darker one, in the winter I'll use the lighter one, and then in those between months I'll mix them together. So today we're going to be using the lightest shade foundation I have, which is actually a tiny bit lighter than my skin color. So it'll be perfect for this look because I feel like on Halloween people cover themselves in the white face paint, which looks amazing on some people, but I just feel like I look ill. I guess that's the point. But like I said, I want to still feel pretty if I'm going to be going out to a Halloween party. It doesn't matter too much if you get foundation over your guideliner. You can just get an applicator with a little bit of eye makeup remover or just a little bit of oil-free cleanser and just rub it off. Okay, I feel like it's giving Black Swan vibes, not too much Beetlejuice vibes at the moment, but it'll change. The whole point of this look is to give like the vibe of Beetlejuice. I'm liking this so far. You know the really gross parts on Beetlejuice? I think it's moss from when he's buried in his coffin, I think. Okay, it's getting serious. I look pretty crazy so far. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm feeling a dark black purple smoky eye. So the outer corner is going to be black and it's going to blend into purple, and then I'll do green undershadow, I think. I'm just going to grab my black eyeshadow from the Morph palette and I'm just going to go follow along the guideliner and then into my brow, up onto my brow bone. I mean, the beauty of Halloween makeup is it never has to be neat. Okay, and then I'm going to use this glittery purple color. I do wish there was this purple without glitter, but we don't have that. And I'm just going to put the purple on the inner part of my eye and try and create like a smoky look. So it's going to be a lot of blending. I feel with glitter eyeshadows, if you use a brush, it just picks up most of the glitter, but if you rub it on your finger, it gets way more of the pigment. So let's do that instead. There we go. Blend it down my nose a little. I feel like as long as you use purple and green on your face for a Beetlejuice look, you can't really go wrong. I feel like I started this saying I'm gonna do a simple Beetlejuice look. I don't think you can class this any longer as a simple look. Okay, let's put some black mascara on top. I'm gonna use quite a lot of mascara because I almost want my lashes to look like spider's legs. Of course, I got some mascara on my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna grab my scissors and very gently at the base of like a clump of lashes, I'm going to stick them together just so it gives more of a spider leg look. They'll be subtle, but it kind of gives like sort of nice fluttery fanned lashes. It's like really strong spider leg look, I guess. And I'm just going to grab some of that same green. I'm going to dot it underneath my lashes. Okay, I think it's looking pretty cute. There is a green that I might use just on the inner corner. Okay, this is how we're looking so far. For the moss looking parts that he has, his look really disgusting and like crusty. I ain't gonna be trying to do that. I have got some green gems, some larger ones and smaller ones. I might try and do like a 3D look. these last all night, I will be so surprised. Something like this. So it kind of gives that like moss look. I'm going to try and take some of the shine out of the gems, and I'm just going to put green eyeshadow over the top. Okay, and then I'm going to do my other one here and one down there, and I am done with the gems. Okay, so all the gems are on. I'm gonna go back over with the same eyeshadow to take out the shine. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good so far. Okay, so for brows, I'm just gonna use my normal Huda Beauty, I think it's like fiber brow gel, but I'm just gonna rub them in the opposite direction and not really neaten them up too much. I want to look like I've just come from the grave, kind of like this. Okay, so for lips, we're gonna be really simple. I'm gonna grab a black pencil lip liner. This might even be eyeliner actually. Yep. And I'm just gonna lightly trace my lips. We're gonna go back to our little face paints. I think these were like $5 from Kmart. So I don't know how long they're gonna last, but they work quite well like this. And I'm gonna grab the same brush and I'm gonna use that green color. But I think I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the white just because it seems I want it to have quite a contrast against the black. And then go over it with just the green. This green is like the exact color of the gems as well, so I feel like even though I'm using 2 different shades of green, I'm hoping it'll all come together. And I'm gonna grab some of that same glittery shadow that I use in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm just gonna dab it on the middle of my lips to make it a little bit more matte and a little bit more green. Okay, this is the look so far. I'm gonna keep this like headband on because I feel like it has the pushed back wet look. And then I'm gonna back comb some of this part, and I'm gonna use a white colored hairspray. Okay, I'm gonna put my outfit on and be right back. I'm gonna do the final touches. So for the outfit, I just got the cheapest Beetlejuice outfit I could find. This was also from Kmart. Shirt collar things you put under jumpers or sweaters. I just got one of them, a really long pointed one. Put that underneath, pop that outfit over top, and then for earrings, I thought these would be really cute. It'll match the gems on my face, because I kind of want to give it a girly feel. Okay, so here's our finished pretty Beetlejuice look, using the TheGuideliner in Black Thicci from our classic collection. What do you think? I don't think it's too bad. I think it's kind of cute. I low-key want to go out right now in it. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. Happy Halloween!